Thank you for joining us for this introductory video on how to use your Money Kitchen.
You'll notice that you're on the very first tab, and this spreadsheet is designed for families, individuals, and micro businesses wanting to get spending under control. Now, before we can do anything else, I want to point out to you that there's a user guide, your Money Kitchen user guide, and also there's tabs on the bottom of this spreadsheet, and all of them are significant, and there's little cells. This is a comment cell with a little symbol there that will help you take notes throughout the whole process. But before you can do anything on this spreadsheet, you're going to have to save it on your own computer and give it a name that you'll recognize it with, perhaps your Money Kitchen. And then we'll help you follow the steps in order 1, 2, 3.
Right here we're using the latest version of Excel. So if you have an older version of Excel, it might look slightly different, but you'll go to File, Save As, choose a file name for it, and we are just going to save this on our desktop.
Now that you've saved it, you'll see that up top it has the name you've given it, and then we'll just walk you through the steps 1, 2, 3. But before we do that, let's quickly look at the dashboard. The dashboard here shows you 3 major segments of the spreadsheet: the setup area, the monthly activity area, and the different tools that you have access to. So let's get started with pots. Now, pots are where you store your money, and you can either have a typically positive pot like a bank account, or a typically negative pot like a credit card. Credit cards, you can get burned very easily with credit cards. That's why they typically have negative balances, and they are hot burners, but we'll get into that later. So what we want to do is you can identify here the number of pots. We show 4. You can do more than that if you want. You can do up to 8 really, but we're going to use 4 and perhaps 5. And we're just going to overwrite this area here.